email address. We will check if you need to create a new account for Microsoft Dynamics 365 for operations. Okay. Once if you there you can see that if you are going to enter either your Gmail account or Yahoo account or Outlook account, will not accept it. You must have to use only your Microsoft specific to the work or school only. You must have to update it. Okay. For me, already having one of the account called institute that it has been provided for me, I'm going to enter that detail. That is support@of dgit.com. Once if you have been entered, then there you can see this one. By proceeding, you are acknowledging that. Okay. Generally, for security consent is asking, but you must have to enter. After entering it, if it is validated, here you can see that what exactly it is showing is here you can see that looks like you already Microsoft customer. Sign in as support at there you can find an option called uh, at dgit.com to get Microsoft Dynamics 365 for operations with your account. It means system is clearly saying that this is Microsoft account. So, and this is Microsoft customer also and will be accepted. You just simply click on sign in. When you click on the sign in, then the system will ask you to enter your password. But for me, this is my personal system I'm using on here. And then I have been saved that password also. Due to that, that is not asking me. There you can find an option called you already have a license for Microsoft Dynamics 365 for operations. Okay. Your username is support@dgit.com. And then there you can find an option called get started. When you click on get started, there you can find an option run your business, and it is going to create, and it will take minimum 20 to 30 minutes of the time to create an environment for your day-to-day, whatever you are going to learn for practicing purpose. You can able to use this environment and you can practice. There you can find the notification which is showing. Yeah, now you can see this one. The system is validating again authentication, approve the sign-in request, whether I'm using or someone else is using. So myself, I'm using the number and can see 85. The same 85 I should have to enter it and then approve it. So if it is a personal system, save it and just make it S. So when you click on the make it as, for me, already been prepared that environment in earlier. That is the reason it has been created on here.